In the serene village of Willowbrook, nestled between lush forests and flowing rivers, there lived a young man named Hiroshi. Hiroshi, a diligent student, faced a daunting challenge that many students encounter: difficulty in concentrating, especially during exams. Despite his efforts, his mind would wander, leaving him anxious and unprepared. One day, while wandering through the village, Hiroshi heard tales of a Zen master known for his extraordinary focus and wisdom. Driven by a desire to overcome his struggles, Hiroshi sought out the master. The master, a kind man with an aura of tranquility, welcomed Hiroshi. To master the art of concentration, he began, one must journey through 10 steps. Like a river that flows unimpeded to the sea, so must your focus flow to your goal. 1. Eliminate distractions. The master led Hiroshi to a tranquil spot by the river. Observe how the river flows, undistracted, towards its destination. In your study place, create such an environment. Remove anything that diverts your attention. 2. Reduce multitasking. The river does not split its course to reach different seas, the master said. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking divides the mind and weakens your focus. 3. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Each morning, the master guided Hiroshi in meditation, teaching him to observe his thoughts like leaves floating on a river, not to be caught by any. This will train your mind to stay present and focused. 4. Get more sleep. A well-rested mind is like a calm sea, the master noted. Ensure you sleep sufficiently to keep your mind sharp and clear. 5. Take short breaks. During their lessons, the master insisted on brief pauses. A brief respite refreshes the mind, like rain nourishing the earth, he explained. 6. Exercise. The master engaged Hiroshi in gentle exercises each day. A healthy body harbors a focused mind. Regular exercise keeps both in harmony. 7. Listen to music. One evening, the master played soothing melodies on an old flute. Music, especially calm and steady, can enhance concentration, he revealed. 8. Eat well. The meals at the master's abode were simple yet nourishing. A well-fed body nourishes the brain. Eat balanced meals to maintain a steady mind. 9. Set a daily priority. Each day, the master asked Hiroshi to choose a single, most important task. By setting a clear priority, you channel your energies like a river flowing through a defined bed. 10. Keep practicing. The art of concentration is like a muscle, the master reminded him often. It strengthens with regular practice. Keep practicing, and your focus will grow. Over the weeks, Hiroshi diligently followed these steps. He began to notice a transformation. His mind, once a whirlpool of scattered thoughts, now flowed steadily and surely towards his goals. The exams, which once loomed like insurmountable mountains, now felt like challenges he was prepared to face. On the eve of his first exam, Hiroshi returned to the master to express his gratitude. The master smiled. Remember, the art of concentration is not just for exams but for life. Like the river that flows ceaselessly, let your focus be continuous and unwavering. Hiroshi faced his exams with a newfound confidence. His concentration was unshakable, and he tackled each question with a calm and focused mind. The villagers were astounded by the remarkable improvement in his performance. Hiroshi's success in his exams was celebrated throughout Willowbrook, but the true victory was his mastery over his own mind. He continued to practice the 10 steps, finding that his improved concentration enriched all aspects of his life. Years passed, and Hiroshi himself became a mentor to others, sharing the wisdom of the 10 steps. The lessons of the Zen Master lived on, like a legacy flowing through the generations, reminding all that the secret art of deep concentration was not just a skill, but a way of life.